You ever notice how one programming language just seems to be, well, everywhere? I mean, from the high-stakes world of Wall Street trading to the quiet of a university science lab, it's this invisible force running a shocking amount of our digital lives. So what's the deal? Why is this one language, Python, popping up in so many different places? Well, that's what we're going to unpack. We're going to find out what makes it so incredibly popular and honestly, indispensable. And to get it, let's start with something we can all relate to, the job market. The numbers here are just wild. If you're looking to become a data scientist, 2 out of every 3 job postings are going to mention Python. For data analysts, it's 1 in 3. The message couldn't be clearer. If you work with data, Python isn't just a nice skill to have anymore, it's a must-have. And we're not just talking about one industry here. We're talking about everything from predicting the stock market, to running robots on a factory floor, to literally decoding the building blocks of life. I mean, think about how different those fields are. Yet Python is the common thread tying them all together. And this right here, this gets us to the core idea. The absolute best way to think about Python is as a digital Swiss Army knife. You see, it's what's called a general purpose language, which is just a fancy way of saying it has a specialized tool ready to go for almost any problem you can imagine. So let's pop open this knife and take a look at the first tool, the data decoder. This is really Python's superpower in the massive, massive world of data. And look, this isn't just some abstract theory. Take this example from a Reddit user. They used Python to pull raw data, just log files, directly from factory machines. This let them spot problems almost instantly on equipment that wasn't even designed to be tracked. That's a perfect example of Python bridging the physical and digital worlds to solve a real problem. Now, inside the data world, you've got all these different specialists, right? You have data analysts who use Python to create charts and really see the data. You've got data engineers who use it to build the complex pipelines that move all that data around. And then you have data scientists who use it to build models that can actually predict the future. 3 different jobs, all relying on Python. So you might be asking, how can it do all of that? Well, here's the secret. Python doesn't work alone. It has this huge ecosystem of free open source libraries. You can think of them like power-ups in a video game. You've got pandas to organize data, NumPy for heavy-duty math, and scikit-learn for all things machine learning. This amazing toolbox is what makes Python the undisputed king of data. Okay, now for our next tool. And this one might be a bit of a surprise. We're taking a pretty big leap from factory floors into the laboratory to see how Python is being used to program the code of life.